Hey everyone, want to reply to a TikTok comment with a video? Today I'll show you how. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok and go to the video that has a comment you want to reply to. Then here, tap the comment icon or the speech bubble at the right side of the video to open the comment list. Find the comment that you want to reply. Next to the comment you pick, you'll see a camera icon. Tap the camera icon and this opens the TikTok camera in reply mode. If you don't see a camera icon, tap reply and then choose reply with a video. Here you can record yourself. Press the red record button to film your video reply. You can also upload a clip from your gallery by tapping upload. You can edit your reply with just normal TikTok. You can add text, sticker, effects, and more. You will also see a small label like replying to a username so viewers know which comment you're answering. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.